Oh, hey.
Hey.
What's up?
Just working.
Cool.
Did something happen to your face?
Oh, yeah.
Well, hey, bud.
Hey, what's up?
What's going on with your face and the blood, man?
Okay, so I bonked my nose really hard on the floor at the garage where I parked my car.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it made a funny noise.
Yeah, that was probably the sound of your nose breaking. Come on, man, let's go meet a doctor.
No, okay, so just, my nose is probably broken. I'll own that, but watch.
How'd you do that?
Watch, just watch. You wanna try?
How did you do that? Okay, so the crowbar on the ass. We know that that sounds like a monkey yelling. Shit! You're gonna have to come in here for this one! That sounds like a doorbell. We need more string.
Get all the lamps, get all the lamps, get all the lamps!
The dinosaur lamp's sentimental, man!
The world isn't how it used to be!
Damn, son.
There's only one part of the body we haven't tried yet.
Which one?
Dick/balls. 3, 2, 1. Hey, buddy, you okay in there?
I peed blood.
Did it make a funny noise?
It quacked like a duck. It quacked like a duck.
That's okay. It's okay.
I think I'm done.
You don't want to try again?
No. Not really.
That's fair. You got hurt. You pissed blood. We could try me.
You sure?
It could be fun.
Okay.
Oh.
I mean...
It didn't seem like it would be fun at the start, and it was, so we could try. I mean...
Yeah, we went on like a hole here.
Yeah, I mean, it's just see, like... Yeah.
Alright.
That just... No, that didn't sound like anything.
Nope, just felt bad to hit you on the head.
Yeah, it just sounded like a spoon hitting a man's head.
Yeah, I just didn't want to do that, so...
Guess we go to the arcade. Fucking bored now.
Hey, Nico, let's go bowling. Hey, Nico.
Let's get out of the apartment. We trashed this whole fucking place.
We gotta torch this fucker.
We gotta move.
We gotta go. I'm gonna get a team of Balto-like huskies to pull my bobsled.
Yeah.